today I want to wash my hair. My hair has been in a bun for a long time. I've kept my hair like this for a very long time, so I decided to take time to do my hair washing. I don't know how long it's going to take.
Let me show you guys how my hair is. So, this is my hair.
Oh my god, it has been like this. I don't even have time to wash it. So guys, we have some items that I want to prepare here for my hair rinse. I usually do this after apply my deep conditioner. After I finish washing out my deep conditioner, I will use this to rinse my hair. If I needed to put the normal conditioner on my hair, then the normal conditioner will be the last thing that I will apply on my hair. Okay, so each session I have to wash out that. I will rinse my hair with this, then leave it for 10 minutes, wash it out. Then if I need to apply normal conditioner, I will also apply normal conditioner as the last thing I'm going to do on my hair. I'll start first by slicing the lemon. If you don't want to slice the lemon to use for this, you can press out the lemon juice. I will even suggest you press out the lemon juice. That will also make you to get out all the juice from the lemon. Okay, so if you don't want to use this process of cutting the lemon into pieces, you can just press out the juice and use the lemon juice. So that is it. And the next thing that we are going to do is to wash the rice and prepare the rice for soaking. I'm not going to use all this rice. I'm going to use some of the rice for preparing this hair rinse. I have channel on rice water, and each of those videos I always tell you guys to please make sure that you wash your rice very well before using it for any hair treatment, because some of these rice, they use chemical to preserve this rice, so you need to wash out this preservative before using the rice water on your hair. These are the 3 things that I'll be using for preparing this hair rinse for my hair wash: lemon, rosebuds, and rice. They contains a lot of vitamins that is good for our hair and also good for maintaining a healthy hair and scalp. Lemon juice helps to remove buildup in your scalp. It promotes hair growth. Lemons are rich in vitamin C. It maintains scalp health and helps control the production of oil on your scalp. Rose water improves hair growth. The vitamin A, B3, C, and E of rose water promotes the growth of your hair by nourishing the scalp and promoting hair growth. Rice water helps to detangle your hair. It makes your hair shine and smooth. It increases growth. It stops hair shedding, and many more. detangle my hair with no product. I just use only the heat from my shower to detangle my hair. Okay, I didn't apply any product on it. I just did finger detangling. I used the hot water, and the heat from the hot water helped me to detangle my hair without using any hair product. Okay, so it took like, oh my god, I'm so tired right now, but I haven't even applied shampoo on my hair. I did this first because first my hair was on twist for a month and like a month plus, and I decided to, you know, untwist it, like to unravel the twist. Then after that, I don't have time to wash my hair. I packed my hair in a bun for a very long time, a month, like it's up to a month now that I left my hair on a bun. So I have a lot of work to do on my hair. So that's why I have to take time to, you know, detangle my hair with the heat from the shower. Then I'm done with detangling my hair. So right now I have to apply shampoo on my hair and wash my hair, because if I did not do that and I start applying shampoo on my hair is so fragile, so soft, and when I'm handling it, I'm very careful with how I handle my hair. And also, anytime I want to wash my hair, I always put it on a twist. It helps the hair to, you know, separate, because if I did not do it like this and I wash my hair, all my hair would just clump together like dread, and it will be a double work for me when I apply my hair conditioner to start, you know, separating them one after the other. So today is my washing day. I decided to take you guys along with me to my small bathroom. Okay, so I hope you guys don't mind, because if you have been watching my video, I told you guys that I live in the school dormitory. So this is the bedroom. Okay, so you don't expect it to be that kind of well organized bedroom. This is a dormitory bedroom. So I'm a student. If you don't know, I'm a student living in school dormitory, and that's the reason why I don't always do video in my bedroom, because you know, it's social media people, the way they think. So let's go into the video. And because it has been long that I washed my hair, this is the hair that I got from the finger detangling that I did. You know, I started doing finger detangling because I noticed that it helps my hair more than using brush. I have a lot of detangling brush, but I stopped using it. Okay, it's not like the brush is bad, it's good. Okay, but I choose finger detangling each time I want to detangle my hair. Alright guys, my body is wet anyway. Let's just get into the video. I don't know, this is the hair shampoo that I always use to wash my hair. This is the hair shampoo that I always use. So I don't know any other good hair shampoo that I can use. So I found this hair shampoo better. I like the way it feels on my hair. It's not like it's the best hair shampoo, but at least it's better than some hair shampoo that I've used. Okay, so now I'll be washing my hair. This water is so hot.
Yeah, guys, I want to ask you all this question. Do you notice that if your hair is dirty and you want to wash your hair, when you apply hair shampoo on your hair the first time, it's not going to foam as much as if you bought that hair shampoo newly? You might think that the hair shampoo isn't good or is not foaming, but actually the shampoo is not foaming as it's supposed to, because your hair is dirty, because your hair might have a lot of oils and some things that you applied on your hair, which makes your hair dirty. So the first time that you apply shampoo on your hair during your wash day, it might not foam as you wanted. So what I usually do is that I run my hands through my hair the first time, wash my hair, make sure that my fingers went through my scalp, then wash out the first shampoo. I will go on the second one and apply my hair shampoo. So during this second stage, you will notice the difference between the first time that you apply shampoo on your hair and the second time. So that is how I do my washing day. I make sure that I wash my scalp very well, and I concentrate so much on my scalp because I hate scratching my hair after washing my hair. So this is the second time that I'm going on with my hair shampoo. I'll apply this on my hair, then you will see the difference of what I'm telling you about. Okay. You see the difference when you apply your hair shampoo the second time on your hair. So that is it. Apply this before or after conditioning your hair. So now I'm applying it before conditioning my hair. I'm going to leave it for some minutes. Please, if you are watching this video till this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Click on that red button right now, please, to subscribe to my channel, okay, to join the family. So I've already done my hair detangling. I've already detangled my hair first before any other thing. I told you guys. So this makes everything much easier for me right now. So please, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, okay?
So guys, this is all for today. This is all I did on my washing day. Okay, so I use this hair butter. If you haven't watched my video on how we prepare this henna, neem, and orange hair butter, please watch the video. I'll also put the link here and in the and on the description box. So check the link here that will show up, and you can also look at the description box, to direct you to the video. Okay, so this is the orange henna neem butter that we did. Okay, that's what I use for my hair. And guys, this washing day today is not, to tell you the truth, today is not easy for me. Like, thank you all so much. Thank you for watching till this, till this moment, till this time, till this minute that I'm talking. I hope you enjoyed everything about this video. Please put the comment on the comment section if you would like me to show you how I detangle my hair without any hair products. Okay, yeah, that's what I did in the bathroom. So I need to separate it first in the shower before I start applying hair shampoo on my hair. And doing that, I used just water and the heat from my shower to detangle my hair. And because the water was hot, it was quite easier for me to put my finger on my hair and detangle it. Like, it was so sweet doing that, although it took a lot of time, but I didn't see any stress. Like, I really enjoyed the detangling part. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on that red button here, that red button, and subscribe and put on your notification bell so that I always know each time I upload a new video. And please, if you love this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, because thumbs up help my channel to grow. Okay, thanks so much for your support, and I would love to see you next time on my next video. Bye.